Everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a absolutely gorgeous 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. Beautiful car, guys. This car has gone through a complete nut and bolt frame-off restoration. I actually bought this car from a gentleman down at a show in South Carolina, but he was from Ohio and just relocated down there. Car's got 120 miles on it. When I bought it, it had 90. I probably put 30. I put 30 miles on it that weekend. One thing I will tell you, this thing drives like a brand new car. It doesn't squeak. It doesn't rattle. It's as tight as can be. It's got a crate engine in it, an LS7, 454, 450 horse crate engine in it, 4-speed transmission, 12-bolt 373 limited slip rear end in it, vintage AC. It's got a Hydroboost 4-wheel disc brake kit on it, and just gorgeous. Of course, it's Hugger orange. It's got the black Super Sport stripes, black vinyl interior, and stunning, guys. Again, 120 miles on it since it's been done. There's not a whole lot that I can really nitpick on the car. It's just beautiful. Again, I put 30 miles on it. Great car. It's got the cowl hood. The fit and finish on the car is excellent. Gorgeous paint. And like I say, the only reason he's got a couple of Chevelles, and he just really, I think, you know, honestly, I can't remember if he retired, but something, he relocated down to North Carolina. Gorgeous car. Brand new 18 and 20 inch Coys wheels all the way around it. Brand new rubber. Again, those are Hydroboost 4-wheel disc brake kit. So if you've ever been in a car with disc brakes and it's got a bigger cam like a car like this would have, if they're vacuum operated, you'll lose kind of vacuum and the pedal gets hard. These are Hydroboost. They're hydraulic. It's a hydraulic boost kit or Hydroboost kit. There's no need for vacuum. It'll stop on a dime no matter what. Again, this is an LS7 454 450 horse crate engine in it. It's got a quick fuel 4-barrel. You can see the bow tie aluminum intake, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got vintage air blows ice cold. It's got a T10 4-speed manual transmission. Turn the key, take it right to a show. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. Got a bunch of new stuff coming too, guys. I got, I think, 5 that are going to arrive here tomorrow. Trying to get that stuff advertised as fast as we can. I know some people are getting frustrated. We've had you know, a bunch of cars actually get sold before we get them advertised, which is not my goal, guys. My goal is to sell them, but I try to do all the videos myself, so it takes a little time. Interior's gorgeous. Bucket seats, console. It's got the Hurst shifter. It's got the sweeper dash, all custom dash cluster in it. Aftermarket AM/FM radio. Of course, it's got the upgraded vintage AC and heat controls. It's got an X-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system in it. Again, 12 bolt, 373 limited slip. Gorgeous car. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Beautiful, beautiful car. Take you 2 years and $100,000 to build a car like this nowadays. That's a crazy thing. We took some good pictures of it underneath for you. New fuel tank, new exhaust. Well, one thing I don't like the yellow floor mats in it. I'd put some, Chevelle mats. You can buy them from National Parts Depot. That's the only thing I didn't really care for was the mats in them. But all new carpet, new sill plates, all new door trim, new mirrors. Guy did an awesome job on this car. AC blows cold. It was 90 degrees down there. They just kicked it on. I had the air running when I was driving. The car just rocks. All the power you could want. Nasty sounding camshaft. Works, all your gauge, 122 on the odometer now. Fuel gauge works, all your gauges are functional. Parking brake does work. I don't know if you guys can see that. The doggone sun's right behind me, but all the brake lights and everything work. Radio works, I had hit on. I know the blower motor, everything works.
Station. I know it works.
Yeah, I had it on. I know it works. I don't know if we just got not getting the signal, but I know the radio works. We gotta check a light. We gotta. I know that works. Probably just a little connection on it. You're messing with these old cars, man. There's always something. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our Instagram page. Or as always, the old-fashioned way, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Man, that's a bad ride right there, man. Sorry, guys. Have a great day.